Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is T and I am a full-time screen printer and a part-time van lifer, building out my own van, Transit 250. Guys, it's been a minute since I've been on this. There's been a little pause between work, life, and rain, not to mention the heat. Hell, heat. Yeah. So guys, if you're out there working in this heat, hydrate. Please be careful. Go inside, calm down, chill out, get a little bit of air, and then recharge and get back to it, okay? Get off your ass and go out there. Because if I can do it, that's right, you can do it. So guys, I have been putting out stuff in Facebook page rooms, but not really content, and I do apologize for that. I've been doing some shorts to just kind of, keep you informed or whatever, what I'm doing, the progress of VanGo. Today I did receive my reflectix, and I'm going to install that on the roof with some spray tack. And I am waiting on my thin slit, so that'll be next. After I get done with that, guys, I'm going to start putting up my walls. That's right. We're getting there, guys. I'm going to take you with me to the van. He says hello. I know you can't hear him, but I heard him. He said, hey, y'all, what's up? So, guys, here's my reflectix. I got it today. And I am going to be putting them up right here. I have four sections and a little section in the back. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, guys. Should be pretty easy. Still trying to decide what I'm going to use for the walls. I want something extremely light, and I'm going to go really light on the roof. So I know I'm way underweight, but I'm just trying to, stay on top of that, because, I definitely don't want to go overboard. I have been working on the cushions for my storage boxes, cedars here. I'm working on those cushions inside with my sewing machine that I've never used. My sister-in-law gave it to me about a year or so ago, and I hadn't used it, so I pulled it out, and it's been challenging, but we got this, right? Yeah, we do. Guys, I hope y'all are having a blessed day. I hope everything is going wonderful for you, and I hope you're living your best mother life. That's right, I said it. So guys, with that being said, I'm going to get to it, and I will update you as I go. See you soon. Welcome back, guys. Guess what? I got some stuff done. It's hotter than a hoochie coochie maluchi. Whatever that is, it's hot. It's that hot. Probably a little bit more hot than that. Just saying. So guys, I got a few things done and I'm still working. I'm going to go show you, okay? Let's go. Come on. All right, guys. Before we go into the van, I want to show you. I am working on making the boxes for the wheel well covers, okay? I'm going to put a box around that. So that's what I'm working on now. And guys, let's go to the van. Yes, little bird. Hey, birdie, I could talk to my birds if I want to. So I talk to skeletons and talk to birds. I'm a whisperer. So guys, I got the reflectix up today, and I'm gonna work on this one. That one doesn't want to stay, but anyway, the rest of them did, guys, and I did it all the way back. Where you don't see it is where the max air fan is gonna go, and where the AC is gonna go over there. And then I started running my wires, guys. This is for the max air fan. That is for the AC. And there's another one here that goes to the outlet, the receptacle that will go there. And there'll be another one up here and one on that side right there, guys. And I am, like I said, I'm working on building the cover, the boxes to go over my wheel wells. And I will start probably on that side building the walls so that I can start working on my electrical board and how everything's going to come in. I still don't have the specifics on that, but I'll get there when I get there. But for right now, guys, that's what I'm doing. I think I want to put like another hour or two in before I stop for the evening. And guys, I'm going to catch up with you then, okay? Hope y'all are having a great day. See ya. What's up, guys? I'm back. And I'm done for the day. Whew, hot. sweaty, smelly. Ew. So guys, let me show you what I did today. All right, so it looks like it's probably gonna storm, but isn't that beautiful? And I'm gonna show it to you every time. So guys, walk with me. But first, say hello to my little friend and my little baby friend. He said, hey, what's up? So guys, I finished up the, like I said, I did the reflectix on the floor. I mean, on the ceiling, sorry. I was able to build the cat. I ran my wire from my max air fan and my AC. So these are the wires for that. And then I ran the wire for my electric back there again. And I still have some stuff to do with that. But guys, I did that. I built the box over the wheel well. Can you see it? And this one, I mean, I'm just using recycled stuff, so nobody's going to see that. I'm going to paint it. I'm going to make it look nice. I might even put some vinyl on it because I got so much. Because remember, I had to do that buy the whole thing. So I may do that. I may just paint it, really, because nobody's ever going to see that. And I am going to build up on that side. That's going to be my electric. And guys, that's what I did today, and it took a minute. It was hot. I took some breaks. I was able to come out here and spend more time out here than I thought I would. But it is, I think it was after 6, maybe even 7. I'm going to go get me a shower and some food and call it a night. I probably have orders waiting for me. But look at that. Always photobombing. Guys, I hope you have a great evening. I hope you're happy, prosperous, safe, and doing whatever it is you want to do. Guys, if you haven't already, hit subscribe for me. Share it if you want to. Tell your friends about it if you want to. Like and share, guys. It helps my channel grow, and you know, I that's it. Same old. Thank you guys for always continuing to rock with me. And remember, all of this, if I can do it, you can do it. Straight up. No kidding. I've never done it before, and I'm doing it now. So it will be what it will be, okay? You know, I'm having fun with it. It's nerve-wracking, but we'll get through it. Guys, don't be afraid. I've had a few people reach out to me that have been afraid to start building and don't know what to do. And I just said, hey, listen, I will be happy to answer any questions if I can. If not, I will refer you to people that I know that know. And, you know, it's the first step is just opening the door to your van and get a little floor plan. Know what you want, because I didn't know for what I wanted. That's why I was so discombobulated for so long, because I wasn't sure what I wanted. It was this, it was that. I changed this, that, and it is what it is now. All I'm going to do is build it out. And, you know, I'm traveling part-time, so for me, it's different. So if you're living it, you know, in your van full-time, then you might want to do things a little bit heavier than I did. But guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.